Okay, welcome back to the channel. I have a incubator here today with some eggs in it where we're trying to hatch some baby peeps. And there's only, I think there's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there's 8 eggs in here, which you're supposed to fill them all the way up. But my wife got a little excited. She wanted to go ahead and see if she can hatch a couple eggs and stuff. When I was younger, my dad used to hatch them, but they didn't have nothing like this. It was just a big round, kind of a big metal kind of type container, and then it had a light inside of it, and then of course they added water for moisture, because you have to have moisture in here for these chickens, especially when you're starting to hatch the eggs. The eggs should have a little moisture in it. And so we picked a few of them up, and we're hoping they're gonna hatch. They're gonna watch them closely and see what's gonna happen. But this is basically what some of the incubators out there look like. They have some different ones. This one here was just a square. Then they also have like kind of a round one too. So it's really nice. They put out. They have a fan in them and stuff. They heat it. They got a gauge on them, a temperature gauge. It tells you how much temperature that you use as a continuous thing. It tells you how many days, and it actually counts down the days. That's what I like about it. Right now it's setting on 19 days, so we just put them in the other day. And it also has a humidity, a moisture contents meter in it that actually shows you what the percentage of it is. Right now it's 53% moisture, so it works pretty decent. It's just basically made out of some plastic, and then also it has, I can lift it up here enough right now. You can see underneath of it, it has styrofoam. It keeps, here's the eggs, it keeps the eggs nice and warm. And then of course there's a gauge and stuff on it. So let me put that back out on there. The little light on top indicates, it tells you when it's heating up, when it has to reset itself. That makes it nice. So it's pretty much efficient, almost 100% efficient. So, and then also there's a few places on here that you have some these corks here, and there's one on the front, one on the back, and then you can add your water there slowly. It takes something like a quarter of a cup to half a cup of water when you first start out. We did about a quarter cup, and then we added. We use like a turkey baster, that's what you want to call them, for cooking, and we would fill it up and then just squirt it in there. So you need something, then just pour it in. So you're going to have something to kind of squirt it in. It also has a couple small places on the top here, a couple little red corks, and those are, you can take those off later whenever the chicks start to come out of their shell. You open them up and it'll just give them a little bit more ventilation inside there, So we're getting kind of excited. This is and like I said, my dad did it when I was a kid, and when I was very young. They did it back then. At that time, pretty much everybody did. They had chickens, you raised your own. And we're right back in it again for this generation here. We're learning ourselves how to do it. We did have one chicken. I did a video that we have one chicken that was actually born there. And we still don't know how that happened at the time. I mean, we know it's a chicken that had it, but the point was that it was 21 days, because that's basically what it takes, 21 days to hatch. 7 days to fertile, see if it's fertile. We don't know how that happened, but I did say we had 2 chicks. They ate one of them. They killed it and ate one of them, and then I kept the other one. And I rescued the other one. But so we ended up with that one black one. Like I said, I did a couple videos of it. But a really nice little setup if you want to, hatch your own chicks. This is something nice, and it's a lot of fun. It gets it keeps you busy on some of your activities and things you need to do. Instead of just sitting around the house all day, we always find something to do. So, okay, that's it on the incubator. We're hoping everything's going to come out, and we're just going to wait. We got 19. Well, we got 19 more days left, and we're going to see what happens, and we'll definitely let you know and do an update on it. So, okay, thanks for watching. If you got any comments, just leave them down below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do, and thanks for watching.